Hey,
Hey,
what's
how's it
really
going,
going
man?
on? Not too bad. What were you here for again?
The boxes.
Oh yeah, well, there's this one here. This is a pretty good one. An apartment struck out now apparently. So.
Believe me, I feel bad. Hey, boss.
What happened?
I really hate to bug you,
Again?
but I don't have anything for that. Mine is like it's the wrong size, so it's the really tight one that's rusted into the floor. It's just stripping up. Want me to put that back in for you?
Let's see what happens. She go or she blow? Poor old Rusty, boys. That's her. That's freaking her. I'll start ripping them apart. Holy schmeikowitz, boys. Oh, holy schmeikowitz. Oh! buddy. Hear the turbo winding down?
Mm-hmm.
Could you hear the whistle? Or did it just sound like your tinnitus?
Oh, no. Really?
Awesome?
Yeah. Pretty loud.
Yeah. It's a little bit quieter than it was. I insulated the doghouse with some shit or whatever, but yeah, it's belligerent, eh?
A little bit.
Could you even hear yourself think one time? Oh. Yeah, it's freezing out. I don't know if we're going to be able to do undercoat. It's freezing. Oh, my blinker switch fell apart. $29. Fucking broke it. Lasted just over 5,000 kilometers. That's kind of, that's a little inefficient. Oh, I got a shit. Holy f. Oh, I got a shit so bad. Wasn't even able to fire out all my shit this morning before I had to leave. It'd be so much better if Nelson had a license. Wouldn't that be something? Oh no, that's not good, is it? Did you check to see if there's water in the piston? No water in the piston? Check this out, boys. Another Rio stink. Friggin' some dual lens. We're gonna attach that up into the stovepipe. It's gonna be pretty friggin' awesome. Hey, you just gotta give me a sec. Get my together here. But yeah, Nelson's over, boys. Look it's Nelson. I think something's running out here, buddy. Oh yeah, well, just running the ball sack off no more, no big deal. Check this out. Oh no, Rusty, buddy, what happened? Transmissions for sale, any other components for sale except the engine. I'm going to hold the engine for a little while. I'm kind of beside the cigarette here. The tip broke off of that one. Well, how'd that happen, Nelson?
Jumped off.
Were you f***ing ramming on it? Is that what happened?
No.
You stepped on it?
Stepped on it.
You did. You son of a bitch. And snap my good one. Holy shit, what do we do with you? Oh dear buddy Nelson. That was my good one too. My good plastic one. How about this one? You can't snap the end off that one. Should I just record the atmosphere, or should I come over here and record what we're doing? Nelson says he fixed the dump truck, but like I don't even know, because he says a lot of things. You say a lot of things, Nelson. You're a man of many words. You're a man of many words, Nelson. Freezing cold.
Cloudy skies today.
Cloudy skies, no doubt.
Some thunderstorms, brisk west winds, and overnight low dipping down to 6.
Oh, that's great.
Sunday, cloudy, strong west winds, a high of 11. Cloudy period Sunday night, slight chance of showers.
Fire's right up. Hey? Notice how the box isn't going up?
Yeah.
That's not good. You tricked me, buddy. Why you like that? Why you like that? I gotta go run over a whole bunch more bunnies. Oh, my ear, it's so freezing cold out. This is bull. Why is it cold today? It was like warmer as frig yesterday. Felons on holidays, buddy. Felons on holidays. It's Thanksgiving. Did you know that?
Yep.
Oh, I apologize. I didn't want to tell you because you'd be like, oh, I can't come over because it's Thanksgiving. Oh, shit, that's a nice rig. Hey? That's a nice freaking rig right there. So, now what? Fix the dump truck?
The lift, huh?
Yeah, like it's not engaging, right?
Sounds like something inside the like ground part.
Is that what it sounds like?
Sounds like something's moving, but not all of it.
Yeah. Yeah, we got to crack that open to see what's wrong, because dump truck that doesn't dump's kind of useless. It's kind of not good. Oh, and we should check this out too. Infrared thing for your phone. It's like an infrared, so you can see heat and different things.
Yeah.
Right? We'll test that out. You want to test that out, Nelson? You like smarty pants stuff. This is like a smarty pants thing. Yeah. Yeah, it is. I'm gonna try to son of a bitch recruit you, okay? Right, buddy? Yep. Things, boys. Nelson wasn't able to fix the dump truck, but it says like the gears, the teeth are like rounded on the edges where they, I don't know, skipping over the son of a bitch. But even if because the truck's supposed to have you know, like a clutch brake. You push the clutch in halfway, whatever, put it in gear, put it in all the way. It stops the transmission from spinning, but it's burnt right out, right? If you use the clutch while you're driving it and friggin' jam the clutch in all the way, it just roasts the friggin' brake right off her. But anyways, put the clutch in, put it in gear to stop the transmission, and it still won't engage. Right? And also saying, oh, the gear's spinning and it's not, you know, the teeth are. So anyways, anybody know anything about that? It's a Eaton Fuller 9-speed with a, like I assume, an Eaton Fuller friggin' PTO onto it, but very much less than ideal. And Crawdad did end up taking that truck back, so we'll have to make a movie, see what he got instead. Hey, see what his new one is. How decked it is, probably. But yeah, smoke cigarettes.